Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. RecruitNXT is hiring for Operations Manager Intern role. Job location is remote, that is work from home. Let us get to know about the job. We are looking for a determined operations manager to coordinate and oversee our organization's operations. The role is mainly to implement the right processes and practices across the organization. Job responsibilities are maintain constant communication with management and staff to ensure proper operations of the organization, grow the efficiency of existing organizational processes and procedure, planning publicly strategies and campaigns and implementing them, actively pursue strategic and operational objectives, partner with cross-functional support teams in improving their processes, ensure resource availability and allocation. Let's get to know about the company. RecruitNXT is a recruitment software that provides uninterrupted hiring solutions to all kinds of businesses. Save your time and efforts and hire the best candidate at the right time with a cost-effective, easy-to-use and unified platform. Here is the website of RecruitNXT. Revolutionize your recruitment process. Control your recruiting efficiently with us. You can visit the website, find the link in the description, and you can check their website and get to know more about them. Now, if you are eligible for this job role and interested for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this apply button. Then this application form, that is a Google form, will open. So, Operations Project Manager Apprenticeship Program. Who can apply? So, here is the eligibility criteria. Any graduate, any stream, freshers or experienced, both can apply. Last semester students who can work full-time can also apply. Women who want to restart career can also apply. Some additional details are there. The position will be a full-time operations and project manager position. This role is completely work from home, remote. If you are a fresher, required training will be given to you as per the role requirement. Working hours and holidays. The working hours will be 10 to 7, Monday to Saturday. 1 month off in a year, 15 annual leaves plus 10 national holidays plus 2 optional holidays. Prerequisites for this role are good communication skills, computer with internet connection, and a passion for becoming a leader manager. In this application form, fill your email ID, your name, phone number, WhatsApp number, your highest qualification, your college timings if you are final year student, what was your passing out year or what is your passing out year, and then rate your skills. Internship in same or similar field will be counted under experience. Software project management, operations management, SDLC lifecycle, digital marketing, social media management, marketing, sales, business development, graphic designing, video editing. Have you managed teams in past? Have you done project delivery or operations management in past? If yes, explain in detail the kind of work you have done in past. Duration you can commit for. Longer duration candidates are preferred. 2 years commitment, 1.5 years commitment, 1 year commitment, 6 month commitment. If you were doing a job, then when was the last you were working? Please specify the month and year. Ignore if you are a fresher. Then what describes you best? Do you have working laptop or computer desktop? Why you think you should be hired for this role? Then upload your resume and just answer these questions and then submit this application by clicking on this submit button. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स, and for more latest job updates चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.